AI has a significant AI has a significant impact on the information technology field. It's transforming the way we work, learn, and even live. Let's discuss a few ways how AI is changing the IT industry. Automation. One of the primary uses of AI in IT is automation. AI-powered tools and technologies can automate mundane and repetitive tasks, such as data entry, testing, and support. By automating these tasks, IT professionals can focus on more complex and strategic tasks. This not only saves time and effort, but also increases efficiency and accuracy. Cybersecurity. With the growing number of cyber threats, cybersecurity has become a crucial concern for every organization. It can also provide real-time threat analysis and help organizations to proactively identify vulnerabilities and mitigate them before an attack occurs. Big data. Big data is becoming increasingly important for businesses. It helps organizations to make data-driven decisions and gain valuable insights. However, processing and analyzing big data can be a challenging task. AI can help with this by providing advanced analytics tools and algorithms that can quickly process and analyze large amounts of data. It can also help businesses to identify patterns and trends that would be difficult to detect using traditional methods. Chatbots. AI-powered chatbots are becoming increasingly popular in the IT industry. They can help organizations to provide 24/7 customer support and improve customer experience. Chatbots can answer frequently asked questions, resolve simple issues, and even escalate complex issues to human support. This saves time and resources for the organization while providing prompt and efficient support to the customers. Conclusion. AI is transforming the information technology field, and its impact will only grow in the future. By automating mundane tasks, enhancing cybersecurity, analyzing big data, and providing efficient customer support, AI is revolutionizing the way we work and live. It's essential for IT professionals to keep up with the latest AI trends and technologies to stay relevant and competitive in the industry. We hope you found this video informative. If you did, please like and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos on technology.